Welcome to ABC Kids channel.
ABC Kids, present. Today we are going to read another sentences.
It is a bag.
It is a bag.
It is a car.
It is a car.
It is a cap.
It is a cap.
It is a bat.
It is a bat.
It is a cat.
It is a cat.
It is a bed.
It is a bed.
It is a fan.
It is a fan.
It is a hat.
It is a hat.
It is a map.
It is a map.
It is a jam.
It is a jam.
It is a pan.
It is a pan.
It is a hen.
It is a hen.
It is a mat.
It is a mat.
It is a pen.
It is a pen.
It is a jet.
It is a jet.
It is a pig.
It is a pig.
It is a pen.
It is a pen.
It is a wig.
It is a wig.
It is a box.
It is a box.
It is a dog.
It is a dog.
It is a bug.
It is a bug.
It is a fox.
It is a fox.
It is a cup.
It is a cup.
It is a sun.
It is a sun.
It is a ham.
It is a ham.
It is a web.
It is a web.
It is a net.
It is a net. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids learning videos, subscribe ABC Kids channel.